This is the unboxing of the top entry cat box. Litter box.
Yeah.
This is for if you don't want your litter to go all over the floor, you get a top entry cat box like this. And here are these buttons, you press these, and this should release it so that this piece comes out. The wrapper comes off. It comes with a tiny serving spoon that is too small to do anything with. So I would say get your own or use the one you already have. If you already have a cat, you already got one of these. But other than that, it's pretty nice. This part just slips in there. And these pieces snap in these holes. And it holds the top on so the cat can hop up here, drop in there, make the magic happen, and then out he goes and away he goes with very little litter on the floor.
It's pretty good.
There you go.
Alright. Wow.
Bundle packing. Cat box.
What?
It is not the chirp wheel. Right here it says 3-piece set. And I thought, oh, that's got to be the chirp wheel because there's 3 of them. Why would it say 3-piece set when it's one litter box? Join us next time for the unboxing of the 3 chirp wheel set.